Hey everybody, this is Dude Almost Perfect. This is Caleb, I'm Ben, this is Luke. We're going to show you some basketball trick shots. Everybody ready?
Ready!
Let's make some shots!
Oh yeah!
Swish! Off the top, off the ground, swirl around, double scorpion, backward, three-pointer. Board, basketball, double shot, off the backboard, rebound. 360 layup. Behind the goal of the top shot. This is our 3-in-1 shot. Let's go. Dream long shot.
This is gravity shot.
Tilted jump shot. This is called the dunk.
You mean the layup
You mean the backward shot, right?
with a mini ball?
The stilted bounce.
Oh! This is called the gauntlet shot.
It's called the alley-oop. This is the scooter twirl.
Oh, got it.
Go, go.
Oh, got it.
Well, I guess that's all, folks. See you next time.
Goodbye.